When the mind is without fear and the head is held high into the heaven of freedom, my father led my country away. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. 77 years of freedom. Freedom guaranteed to us by the document. The document which guarantees abolition of untouchability to defining the role of parliamentary committee, from habeas corpus to the freedom of trade and commerce. The document which is neither left-wing nor right-wing. The document which soul remains at the center. The document, the constitution, which represents the ultimate truth. Unfortunately, throughout 77 years, we had leaders who thought they were more powerful and more superior than the truth, the constitution. Power must belong to the truth, because if power goes in the hands of the tyrants, if people don't speak against the falsehood, then freedom will be taught only inside the classrooms, and the common man outside will be a slave of the tyrants. सितम के दौर में ए दिल ही काम आए, जुबा पे नाज था जिनको वो बेजुबा निकले. Leaders like Sir Firoza Mehta, also known as the Lion of Bombay, and Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, gave us the path and gave us the example that with the power of truth, even the evil will bow down. We as young law students must follow the path of the truth and be a part of a rebellion. The rebellion of personal excellence, because personal excellence is the ultimate rebellion. In the words of Sir William McRaven, and I quote, "If you cannot do the little things right, you will never do the big things right." And if we do these things, the next generation and the generation that follow will live in a world far better than the one we live today. And what started here will indeed have changed the country for the better. And in the end, it goes without saying that instead of following a Western narrative of make India great again, I would like to change the narrative, and it says that we are not going to make India great again. We are going to make India the greatest it has ever been. Thank you. Jai Hind. Zoya Yakum.